Welcome, you guys. This is your host, Diego Martinez, bringing you with another lesson, which is called Finding the Circumference. Many of you may know or may not know, and that's okay. I'm just going to do a repass of what is circumference and we're gonna find what's the circumference, what is the formula for circumference, and how to find the circumference. So in your journal or paper, if you like, you will write at the top circumference. Sorry. Circumference. I may be wrong or maybe not, so I don't know. So now, you're gonna write your objective, which is gonna be, I will learn how to solve for circumference. So, I will introduce you to the formula of circumference. The formula for circumference is C equals 2 pi radius, or as others might think is C equals 2 pi r. So, now I'm going to give you some examples on how to solve the circumference. Okay, let's see. Let's have this shape. And let's make a line from here to there. Okay. Let's say we have a diameter of 16. So, we're gonna use our formula, circumference equals 2 pi radius. That means we have to find the radius because this one gives us our diameter. And remember, the half of the diameter is the radius. So you can so to be able to find the radius, you can be able to divide 16 times 8. Or like that, like you need to divide by 2. Sorry, got confused. You have to divide by 2 to be able to find your radius. So doesn't go in, so it goes 8 times. So your radius is 8 centimeters. Let's say this centimeters. So now you're gonna apply it to your formula. C equals 2 pi 8. And now you're gonna multiply, which will give you the answer C equals 16 pi centimeters. And remember, for the ones who don't know, pi equals 3.14 or 7 over, no wait, sorry, another mistake, or 22 over 7. So now we're gonna multiply 3.14 times 16. So 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Let me make some space. I'm gonna erase this. Okay, so 3.14 times 16 is gonna be 18.84 and I'm gonna add a 0, and 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. So now we add 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 8, 9, 10, 4, and now you move the decimal 2 spaces, so your circumference is going to be equal to 50.24. Now we're going to watch the video so you guys can understand what is the circumference clearly, okay? So pay close attention, okay?
To find the circumference, the radius, or equals 2 so the radius of the circle shown is equal to half of 14 centimeters.
Okay. So I'm going to example on the last example on how to solve another circumference. So let me make my circle, my line, and let's say we have 18 centimeters. So we're going to use again our formula, C equals 2 pi r. So to find the radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2. 18 divided by 2. Let's go, and equals 9. So your 9. So your radius is equal to 9 centimeters. So you're gonna input that. Centimeters equals 2 pi 9. Now you're gonna multiply that, which will equal circumference equals 18 times pi centimeters. And then remember that pi is equal to 22/7 or 3.14. So we're going to multiply that. So 3.14 times 18. 8 is 32. 11, 25. Now we add a 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So now we add, which is going to give us the circumference of 2, 5. Oops, sorry. So getting a little bit space. So our answer is going to be circumference equals 2, 5, 6, 5. 56.52. Remember to move that decimal 2 times as we have it here. So on the coordinate planes, the lesson I will talk about coordinate planes, I wanted to show you another image, but it got cut short. But now that I have told you everything I know about coordinate planes, you understand now how you're gonna use it either to solve it, to find the coordinates, or to find an object that's on the coordinates. Sorry. So please have a good day. Make sure to wear your mask and be protected. And I'm gonna try to make videos of diameter, area, and all that I can do possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, subscribe, and make sure if you can, leave a comment below to see when you need help, or give it a thumbs up. That will help very much. So thank you, and have a good day. Goodbye.